good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from the globe. Welcome to my channel, TagITfriend. Today we're going to learn some basic about keyboard shortcuts. Hope this video will make you to pro when you use the PC after watching this video. If so, please like the video and hit subscribe to my channel. And if you feel that you have got something to learn today, please leave a comment below. So let's get started without any further delay. We are ready for some testing now, and as you can see I have opened a Word file in the folder. So the Word file mentions all the shortcut keys which we're going to learn, and the folder where we will do some testing. So I have created one folder and a file. So let's do the testing. The first one is F2 to rename any file or folder. So suppose you have any file or folder, uh, let's assume this is so much long and we need to rename it, right? So we need to take files or text and back that to delete or delete to delete. So instead of that, you just need to click, you need to press F2 and it will keep highlighted the whole name of the file and you can rename anything, right? So it's not about to rename because I have opened it somewhere. The next option is F3 to search something in Windows. If we press F3 inside a folder, it will go to the search option directly and you can type anything, suppose desktop. So whatever located in the desktop, it will just give an option to view the file or the folder, right? The same way, if we go to desktop screen and you press F3, it will give search option from the menu. Okay, next we have F4 to open a located item in Windows. So this is the Windows screen or the folder, we can say. I just press F4 and it is giving the search bar option like in a browser you do have. You can type anything here and just get into that particular folder. Suppose you know the path where it is located, or you remember something, the folder where you are located inside the drive or whatever it is, you can just type it here and you can get it. Okay, next one is F5 to refresh the tab of the window. So I believe F5 you won't be able to see here because only two items are there. So let's go to the desktop and I'm pressing F5. You can see the icons are getting refresh. Next is print screen. So for print screen, we need to press window plus print screen. So I just pressed it. And how to get know the window is we got some snapshot from the window. So we just need to open Paint and just do the Control B for paste. Okay, so whatever you have took the snapshot from the desktop or from the screen, that will get pasted into the Paint and you can save it. Alright, next go to the next one. So the next one is escape, so I should have shown here. Let's do that again, Control S. Where it is. Okay, suppose I need to do that again, Paint, Control B. Okay, so now I need to save it. So here it's giving option to save the file and I'm pressing escape, right? So it just denied the operation whichever I was trying to do. And again if I'm trying to Control S and again pressing escape, so it is just going opposite direction of the action. So simply means escape. We want to do some redo type of thing, you can just press escape, which you don't want to be succeed, so you can stop it from pressing escape button. So next one is home, and this will bring you to the first point of the cursor. Like suppose one line you are, let's open the another Word file. So here we are, it's already the home point of the cursor. Let's jump to here last, and I'm pressing home now. Okay, so it is getting to the first point of the cursor. So I'm just here now. Let's make a space over here. So I'm here on the second paragraph and I'm pressing home, right? So it's stuck in there, it won't come to the up level. So to do that, we just need to press Control Home. So it will take you the first point where you have begin start, like you have started typing something. We have Shift Home. So Shift Home means, suppose this is the paragraph and I need to select the entire paragraph or entire line, you can say. Yeah, it will work on the entire line, not the whole paragraph. So Shift Home means it will just select the entire line from wherever you are, like end of the line or middle of the line you are. So just Shift Home, it will select the items or the area from that to the home point. Let's see the next one. So next one is the end. So for end, it works in opposite direction. Like if I press end, it will take you to the end of the line, right? The same way, if I press Control End, it will take you to the last where you have ended typing, even if it is paragraph or the page. So it will take you to the last. The same way, Shift End, it will work from forward to back. It will take to the last typing wise, from the front to last point. Next, okay, so next is page up, and it works in the same way. So I'm here in the first paragraph, I'll press page up, it's taking me to the home point of the cursor, right? If I'll press page down, it will take to the last of the same page, but whatever you are seeing on the screen, on that only. So it's like scrolling your screen, page up, page down. Alright, so what is the next option we have? Tab. So this will move you to the next tab point, mostly used in database related application and coding. So tab means, let's see what it does inside the Word document. So can you see there is some arrow icon? So it is giving some proper space or to switch something inside the document, right? So let's see on the desktop. So here I press tab and you can see some icon from the task manager is popped up, and if I press Windows plus tab, Alt plus tab, you can see all your screen one by one. So if you need to switch directly without the mouse, you can just press Alt and tab and you can get into that. Okay, option. So next we do have Alt This modifies other keys behavior like Alt. It will highlight the tabs and show shortcuts. Let's open the same document. So here I'm pressing, sorry for that. So here I'm pressing Alt. So you can see some parts of the document got highlighted, and you can see the shortcuts, like if I press Alt and F, it will give option to save the document, and from here you can choose any of this whatever you can see, like I, N, O, S, A. So I'm just giving option to P. It will give option to print the document, right? Now I'm pressing escape to go back to my previous screen. So 3 times I have done that, and I'm back to the same screen now. And what we have, Alt F4. So Alt F4, it will work like to close something. As this document is not saved, it's giving an option to save if you have done any changes. So we'll just cancel. So Alt F4, it will close the application or whatever you have open, the document or folder or anything. Okay, so next we have Alt tab, F10 Alt tab, switch up the Alt enter. So okay, so Alt plus enter shows the property of the file. So how we are gonna do that? I'll select this file and we'll press Alt plus enter. So you can see it shows the properties of that file. So Windows, definitely everyone knows what it does. If you press only Windows, it is the home button, it is the start button, you can say. So if you press this, it will just pop up the screen like this. This is modified, by the way, and you can see your start menu, right? And what does, if we press Windows plus T, so Windows plus T, it does shows the desktop directly if you have multiple tabs open on your screen. Next is Windows E. So suppose you're just having a bad day, your mouse is not working at all, and you need to jump into some folder really quick, and just you need to press Windows E, and you can try some of the tabs or the arrow key directly inside the folder or the directory, and we can get into the file or the folder. Okay, so without mouse also you can open any folder by pressing Windows plus E. Let's jump to the next one, Windows plus R. This is not really necessary for all the people, but it's a basic command you should know. It does open a run command where you can type multiple shortcut or the command whichever works inside the Windows. Definitely it's a pro thing for the system admin or IT guys. They use it mostly whenever they are doing troubleshooting or some other things, right? So what do we have next? We have Windows plus T. So Windows T, it shows the tab which you have opened, the first one, right? And it will just go to the task manager one by one. So if you keep pressing, your mouse is not working and you need to jump to some of the icon placed over the task manager, you just need to press Windows T. Okay, so you can open any of the application. Okay, what we have next, Windows L. So Windows L, definitely it locks the screen, and I do not want to do that now, but so we do have Windows plus K. So it is giving option to the second screen. If you have connected, you just need to send something from your current machine to another machine. If you want to like project something from your screen, you can press Windows K. Okay, so what we have next? Next is Windows H. So it also does the same type of thing, but unfortunately do not have anything to share or to do some practical. So nothing can be shared from the desktop now. It shows like that. And let's see Windows X. Windows plus X, it does a very good thing for the like I said, system admin IT guys. It gives you the most needed thing to troubleshoot. Okay, now we do have some stuff about the control key. Let's just do one by one. So first one is Control Alt Delete, and if you do that, basically in Windows 10 or the upper version, I believe, it will be in the task manager itself, but we do have some other option here. And Control A to select something like this file. You need to remove everything, or you need to make some changes. Just press Control A, everything will get select, then you can do the change. Next we have Control C. This I believe everyone knows whoever used the system. So Control C, I'll just select something from here. We press Control C, and we'll just make another paragraph here. And for pasting it, Control V. Okay, so for copy and paste, Control C and Control V. And if you need to move something from, I mean, it do not require the same document, I mean, so same text, and you just need to move it to some other part. Suppose you're writing an email to someone and you just need to move something, not to copy, so you can just press Control X. It will take the whole selected item, so wherever you can paste it. So Control S have already shown it to you. Okay, it's already saved now, so I'll just go and create one more here. What file? Okay, let's create blank document. Now I'm pressing Control S. So it is giving option to save the document, like we did for Alt and the shortcuts. You can press directly Control S to save any of the document, right? Okay, so let's jump to the next section. Control Z, Control Y. So here we have made some changes, and now we do not want that part to be there. We just need to remove it, right? So let's press Control Z. So 3 times, again 4 times. So just we got back where we have started, and suppose again I need to do the same changes. I felt later that that was fine, no need to change, so I can press again Control Y to redo the same thing, right? And apart from this, suppose we need to underline something. We just need to select, and you can press Ctrl U to underline any selected text inside the document. So this is one of the word shortcut key. Again, if you select, it will got delete. Let's see the next item. Okay, Control P. So Control P, it does print the document whatever you're having on your screen. It doesn't bother about the application, the format, or whatever it is. So wherever you are pressing Control P, it will just give you a preview of the screen, like how it will get print. And if you go to the operation for print, it will print the same page for you. Okay, Control N to open desktop in folder. So let me minimize this, and we'll go to Window D, Control N. So here you can see it shows the desktop items, whatever we have listed on the desktop. Like here, suppose you are having multiple items and you're having a hard time to find any item to, like any small document or small folder name you have mentioned already and you're not able to find. So you just need to press Ctrl N, and you can get a folder open like this, and you can try searching the folder name or the file name here, if you remember the name, right? So that is very helpful for you. Let's see the next one. So next one we do have Control Shift N. So it does work inside the folder and on desktop as well. So if we press Control Shift N, it does the operation for create a new folder. Okay, so Control plus Escape. Suppose your home key or start key is not working, you're not able to get to the home. So in that time you can just try pressing Control plus Escape. It will give like the home screen will open for you. Okay, so this should be a backup key for you always. What do we have next? We have Control plus plus to increase, Control minus minus to decrease size, and that definitely works in some application. Most probably, like suppose I'm using this Chrome, and you can see the difference between this size and inside the browser. So if I press Control plus, it will get bigger, the size will get increase. If I press Control minus, the size will get decrease. Okay, so let's make it 200. What do we have next? So we have next Control plus W, Control plus W. Okay, it doesn't work inside the desktop, it should work inside the folder. Okay, so I believe you could see it doesn't work for the desktop, as it shuts the operation or sets the file or folder what we have open here. Let's try this one, Control plus W. So it's asking to close, shut the folder or the file, or close the application. Next we have Windows up arrow to maximize the screen, Windows down arrow to minimize the screen. So this is the screen which I have, and suddenly the client, I'm in the meeting, and suddenly the client is asking me to maximize the screen, and my mouse just got hang. So how I'm going to do that? Windows plus up arrow key to maximize the screen, right? And if we press Windows plus down arrow key, it will get minimized and it will come to the same size which you have opened earlier, right? So this is also very helpful key. Instead of using mouse or something in the between in your work between some mouse is got stuck or stopped working, so you just press Windows plus up arrow key. Okay, so this part is also done. So here we have a delete key which I have not mentioned earlier. So delete mostly does delete some selected items, like if I press delete here, the selected item got deleted, right? Another thing is we are using backspace to delete from backside, like this century word I want to delete from back, right, one by one. So mostly when we are doing typing mistake, we are using backspace to make it correct. Suppose you have made mistake from the word of like beginning itself, like this is northern, right? So northern, suppose you have mentioned here instead of O you have mentioned E, and you have just typed and you found this word is wrong. So instead of using backspace, right, you just need to go to the home screen, I mean home of that word, and use delete, right? So no need to edit from the behind, you can just do wherever it is like wrong. You can do it by mouse, but we are talking about shortcut keys. So home and plus delete and backspace, these two are doing the same type of thing. So hope you have understood everything, and I believe you can try one by one if it does work for you, because I'm using a different version of the Windows, and for Windows 11 definitely we do have some other shortcut keys which I have not mentioned here, and we are going to learn slowly. I have mentioned, like you have already gone through the slide. I have mentioned 3 or 4 types of shortcut keys which we are going to learn in upcoming videos. So another pro tips I have shared you here, which is Control Alt Arrow. It doesn't help to do something, but definitely you should know. If you press Control Alt Arrow, it will just turn your screen to some different label in this. Yeah, there you go. So this is, you can see, if you are good with this you can start working like this, not a problem. So you're going to fix this. Yeah, it does work, but for me it got a little bit late. For today that's it. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'm very sorry if I have done some mistakes and maybe some not pro type of thing if I have mentioned, but basic things I have mentioned, which you'll get it on your daily like using daily work while using your system, your PC, and most of them are very helpful definitely. So thanks for watching till now. I'll consider you to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and to learn more stuff about the PC and some other related like hardware stuff or Windows stuff. So let's just end the video. Thank you for watching. Please give a comment below if you like the video, hit the like. Thanks for watching.